Good morning, everyone. My name is Aman Srinarayan, and this is my project video Wireless Human Temperature Monitoring System. To this, I have added few other new features, that is alcohol, smoke, blood pressure sensing and monitoring device. First of all, a happy new year to everyone. The idea of this project came long back when I was watching a movie and saw this poster. Then saw Mr. Mukesh, who was suffering from cancer due to lot of drinking and smoking. Practically, there are more people alive today than have ever died. So what if everyone starts getting sick? If everyone starts getting sick, they would ask for a help from God. But does this Superman would be coming to help us? The answer is a big no. Or will the idea of eating apples will help us to keep us away from the doctors? Think differently. Use of technology to deal with this problem. So for this, I coined a new idea, that is temperature wireless human monitoring system. The basic idea is to sense the body's different parts like blood sugar, blood pressure, toxic, EEG, hearing, vision, etc., and transferring it through a wireless network using a wireless device and transferring the data to the caretaker or the doctor's laptop or the system. I first started with an onboard temperature sensing device where I use LM35 to sense the temperature. Now I will show you a live demonstration of how an onboard temperature sensor network works. Here you can see an onboard temperature sensor network circuit. If you see carefully, there's a battery connected which supplies 9 volts to this circuit, but the circuit uses a voltage of 5 volt. For this we have applied a capacitor to step down the voltage to 5 volts. This is the LED screen which shows the current temperature, which is 18.57 Celsius. This is the LM35 sensor which is used to sense the temperature. Now let me show you the extended version and the improved version of the temperature monitoring device, where the onboard temperature data is transferred by the Zigbee module, which you can see. This one Zigbee module transfers the data through the other Zigbee module, and which is connected to the USB to the PC. Now let's start the demonstration. The USB which is connected with 5 volt source. Let's on the system. When on the system, the LED screen, the power, and every sensor lights up. This shows all the sensors are working. As early Earlier I showed this is LM35 which sends the temperature. The black box here inside you can see a red color device which is blinking. This is used for checking the heartbeat. If you see carefully, there's a sensor which is lighted with a red light, that is ADC 0848, which is used to sense the heartbeat. This is the smoke sensor which is MQ2. If you see carefully, this light shows, this LED light shows this sensor is active. Now coming up to the other sensor, this is the alcohol detection sensor, that is MQ3. Here you can see a 16:2 LED display, a Zigbee module, a oscillator, capacitor, a switch, resistor. All this integrated on a single board act as a transmitter. Now coming to the receiver end, this Zigbee module, which is connected through a USB, is used for receiving the data coming from the transmitter circuit. This is the terminal output screen. This software is used to transfer the data to the system and create the logs. How logs are created? If you see carefully, there is COM3 written here. You click on that, select COM3. After that select log. Here you give a file name, that is test final, and enter. Now go to connect, click connect, and you can see the data being sensed are now shown on the screen. Correspondingly, the log is being created. Now let me demonstrate you how this project works. For project demonstration, we need a DO and a matchbox. Now you can see carefully, the temperature is 19 degrees Celsius, alcohol percentage is 0%, and the heartbeat, which is default, 72, and smoke percent is 40. Now first let's test for temperature. We will light a matchstick and place closer to the LM35. You would see a gradual change in the temperature, that is 52. Now for smoke detection, we will use a DO and will spray around the sensor. You see a yellow LED gets lightened up, and there's the value which shows S, that is 95%. Similarly, the alcohol level in the DO was high, so the alcohol level A represents the level of alcohol in the DO. To use the heartbeat sensor, we'll place our index finger inside inside the surface, and correspondingly there is a red beep a red LED which calculates the heartbeat. Now we need to go to the onboard and press the switch. Now you need to press the switch, and this will give a please wait message. After a while, that is 15 seconds, in 15 seconds the body's BP, that is blood pressure, is calculated, that is 48 right now. Then again press the other switch 2 to continue. This is the log file which is created by the terminal. If you see carefully, it mentions the date, that is 2nd January 2015, time 12:45 p.m. OK system OK. This represents the loading of the sensors. Then it shows the different tests we conducted and what we have calculated till now. At the end it says end of log file. So that was the demonstration of the project. Now let's see what are the scope of this project. Now let me show you the future with ZigBee modules. Here is a smart home, smart automation, smart parking examples. You will have an unprecedented experience of easy and comfortable life. Here you can see we are entering the main entrance of the community. We just need to press a button and it will automatically open up for you. This will be private. This will be private and protected for the community and for you as a user. Now, when you enter your home, the gates will automatically get open. Now, as we enter, the garage doors will open automatically and will close automatically. Now you see a smart lock system, and then we will enter the house. Here the home mode is on. The light, everything, the darkness, the light, the shades automatically gets lightened up as they see a human being inside the house. The curtains will automatically move and spread themselves. The blind window will open automatically. Now if you see the irrigation system, it will be a wireless irrigation system. Similarly, the gardening will be easy. Coming to home theater and for entertainment, we will use the cinema mode. The TV will open and the curtain will adjust itself. And similarly, in turn, we can enjoy the movie time with our family and mail. The health is also checked. Similarly, this house in turn is called a smart house. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video and Happy New Year.